In this short tutorial, I will show you how to change the 24-hour clock to a 12-hour format on your Samsung device. Many Samsung devices usually display time in the 24-hour clock system, which can be confusing for those who are accustomed to the 12-hour format. However, switching to the 12-hour clock is quick and easy. To get started, swipe down from the top, just like this, and then tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. Once you are on the settings page, scroll down to the bottom. Tap General Management. After that, tap Date and Time. Now you'll see an option called Use 24-hour format. To change the 24-hour clock to a 12-hour format on your Samsung device, simply toggle off this switch next to this option. This is exactly how you can switch to the 12-hour format on your Samsung device. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.